Hello, my name is Bernie Raffi. I'm an award-winning professional photographer and instructor based in the UK, and welcome to my course on creative portrait photography. In this course, I'll be demonstrating how you can easily achieve more professional and more creative results when taking portraits. I think you'll find this a very entertaining course as well as informative, and the reason I say that is because most of the videos are fun, practical live sessions with models, families and children, and by example they walk you through the process of taking great portraits. There's a wide variety of portraiture on display in this video and lots of different styles. There's many outdoor location sessions using natural light, indoor sessions using window light, indoor and outdoor off-camera flash sessions, and a great tip for better results using onboard flash. There's maternity sessions with the gorgeously beautiful 8-month pregnant Katie, who you may well have seen on a previous course. There's some fun ideas too for creating specific types of images, plus an all-important video explaining portrait lighting patterns. I also demonstrate many useful tips and tricks along the way, for example, how to make even better use of top shade, how to get great expressions from your subjects, and so on. At the end of this course, you'll be armed with all the information you need for creating beautiful portraits, and you'll be well on the way to becoming a better portrait photographer. And that in turn will give you more confidence with your subjects. This course is designed for beginners and intermediate photographers who like to take photos of people but feel maybe that their portraits are so far not quite as good as they hoped, and who want to take their skills to the next level and, dramatically improve their portrait photography. Anyway, thanks for your interest in my creative portraiture course. It's been about 6 months in the making, and so of course I'm very excited that it's now ready. So I do hope you're as excited as I am. If you're ready to learn more and enrol for the course, go ahead and hit that enrol button, or at least take a test drive by using the free preview feature. Hope to see you in the course. Well, I won't actually see you, but you know what I mean. Bye for now.